So as of now, I will going to demonstrate to you the another tutorial I made, and it's all about um, the quest system, or the system for non-playable characters or NPC. So I will demonstrate to you how to create the quest system through the use of mana bars and through my game mechanics. So this is what I will going to demo. Right now, as you can see, we have 6 balls here in my game. And what if I will add another balls like that? So earn points. So it has a different tab, which is earn points. Yep. So there can earn points. So what do you think of more tags? So yes, I will think of another tag for this. So as you can see, could I just he duplicate the game object, I mean, so you can name here as pink ball. Then here I will demonstrate to you. Here we have materials. We have red box. So probably I would create another material which is pink ball. Oh, what's wrong? Yes, it's pink ball. So here you can see the color and you can change it to pink, or I would probably change it to pink. So it's a pink ball, and then drag it another another sphere like this pink ball, and then I will add another tag. Instead of earn points, I will just add the pink ball points. Yes, pink ball points. So here we can change it to pink ball points. I mean, so here we can add the score. I'm just demonstrating the NPC request system. So add the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another is 6. So just kind of guarding it. If yes, I'm recording it. So here we have 6 balls. As of now, can think of it. As you can see, in this game, in our scene, we have no special canvas that we put inside of our NPC, which is the green box. So I will explain it through the notepad. So here we will explain the green ball represents the and oh, sorry for green ball. It should be green box. The green box represents the NPC of the game. Oh, sorry. The green box represents the NPC of the game. So here you can see it's the green box. Then it's not just, yes, I teach you the concept of duplicating. Maybe just keep in mind, just keep in mind that duplicate is equals to control. Just the hotkey. I mean, just click the object. I mean, for example, here we have the enemy canvas. We have the enemy canvas itself. So here we have the enemy box, or we can see here the enemy canvas. Yep. So it means that this canvas is not, we duplicated it. It's just assuming that we duplicated it. So instead, it's not enemy canvas. It's and NPC canvas. I mean, NPC canvas. Probably I should change the color of it and then change the name of enemy because it's a duplicated game object. Oh, don't be confused. It's just duplicated. So NPC mana bar. I mean, the place image. So you can see here the color. If it's an NPC, put it yellow. It's the color of it's green. So no, probably it's green. Yes, it's the NPC canvas. So we can see here that we put. So if you don't forget it, the pink ballpoints is just a tag. So we can see here, or yes, scoring system itself. I will demonstrate here another system for using, yes, forgot that it's not enemy. So the NPC mana bar, then the place image, probably because I'm demonstrating it that NPC is not an enemy. So we have just I will just I will just explain to you the NPC serves as the quest provider for the player. I mean, serves as the quest provider for players. So, it means that the NPC is the quest provider. It means that it doesn't need a mana bar. So, as you can see here, the base image, the mana bar, sorry. So the mana bar itself should be, I mean, it doesn't work. The mana bar of it doesn't work like the mana bar I demonstrated to you a while ago, or it doesn't work the same. So, for example, instead of field, it's just the simple, or maybe a slice one. So it doesn't work. It's just a representation. I mean, so can use the knob for itself. Knob, then can see adjust the width, then adjust the height is should be should be 200. As you can see here, it appears like this. Then you have the choice to scale it, I mean. So you can see here, you can create another UI which is text. Oh, it's so small. So in our case, should just it. Oh, it's too big enough. It should be 200. Oh, should be 200. I mean, then you can see here, it's just no, just 50. It's just oh, so small. Then we can see here it's bold. Then we can see here an exclamation point or whatever it is. I think it's not yet big enough. Oh, it's not yet big enough. Like this. We can see here the anchor. Hmm. Doesn't change. Yeah, you can see we just kindly adjust it. Yes, you can scale the text. You can scale it. So as you can see, you have the exclamation point right here that demonstrates the quest of NPC. So this is not mana bar or whatever. So we have kind of demonstrated. You can see here the canvas. Hold on. So you can see here, you can add, you can add another, which is, you can add another UI, which is button, which is button. Yes, here you can see the button itself. So the height is, it's, no, it's too big. Yes, then you can scale it by 180. Then just change the UI sprite into knob. So you can see here, sorry for that. So you can see here that there is a button. Now there is quest button. Yes, it's quest button. So you can see here the text. It's too small. I think it's too small. The reference from it should be can should be included the height and then the width. So you can see here the height is 200. Should be the width. It's fine. So you can see here. Just another. Should be 25. Yes, like that. Then type here the quest. Yes, it's the quest. So it will work like it has another function, and then I will demonstrate to you later on the function. I mean, so here we can see the quest button, and we already added it. So here in Canvas, I'll just show how it will appear another UI game object, which is I can see that it should be think of it should be panel. Well, you have the option to add the scroll view, but it's like complicated. So I just want to demonstrate to you the panel, so it is kind of easier than adding the scroll view. I mean the scroll view UI. I mean, then you can layer it the same. Just want to make it easy for you. I don't want I don't want to do demonstrate the complicated ones. I mean this one's panel. You can see here in panel. This is the another panel. I mean you can see the source image. You can see here. Yes, you have the option to change the colors of it. Yes, I think it's better to change the color of it into black. So you can see here. Rename the panel into quest panel. So it's takes so long. Then another, it's you just kind of add the button, then just click it here, up there, up there. Then you can see the button height of the button is just too small for it, so kind of make it 80. The width just kind of made it 100. Then you can see here the button sets the text, it's too small to it, so yes, there's the height. So same the height of button is 80. Height of it is 200. You can see here it's just 50. Oh, so yes, to close, to represent the close button. So we can see here, you can see the functions as well. Then just click here the functions as well of a button. Just click the button, this is a text and this is a button. So you can see the normal color is white, the highlighted color. When it got to be highlighted, it should be red for you to determine if you already click the button. Then for example in our quest, Well, I assume you can assign every color you want. So I assume in Quest it's blue ones if it's already highlighted. It's easier for player to determine if the button is highlighted, like the hover, or I will want to demonstrate to you the hover it. So you can see here the quest panel. The quest panel itself, it has button. Then you can see here, oh, you can see here the image, create image. Then this one is, I can see, mm, mm, quest 1 bar. So for example, we assume that is bar, or for example, it's like the mana bar, like this. So we assume like that, or you can see the width. Oh, should be bigger. 700, or no, bigger ones. Here, yes, put a color in it. Yes, from pink ball. Or you can see here. No, should be empty. Whoa, we have no sprite yet. We should determine any sprite. Yes, just field. You can see here the field amount. Yes, it's not even radial. Should be horizontal. Should be horizontal. So test it. So like this one. You see here, transform itself. The transform itself it should be. It's too small. It's too small. So inside the class panel, UI in another image. It's just a background image. You can just scale it. It's a background image. Oh, we need to just turn it up so we can see the mana image of quest 1. Quest 1 bar. I mean the image is, for example, should assign another sprite here. Input field. So as you can see here, the quest 1 folder. I mean, for me to not get it confused. Yes, should be outside of button and it should not be parent to any other user interface inside. So you can see the question holder, question bar. So here we see it, then drag it down. Then we can see the UI text. Oh, it's too small. It's too small and it's not so visible as I expected. So you can see here the the height, it should be like 100s. The weight should be like 500, or just enough to show what quest you need to achieve or to accomplish. So as you can see here, you should resize it by 60. I think so. It should be bold. Should, you can see even clearly because the background of panel is color black, so you can see it. Should be like that. Maybe it's too big enough. Scale it. New text. So instead of new text, what if we what if I demonstrate just collect 6 pink balls. That's it. Collect 6 pink balls. This is the point of the quiz number one. Quiz number one. One collect pink balls. I think so. Rename the text as quiz one txt. So already renamed it. So duplicate it, and we should change the others in quest 2 txt. Like here, instead of collect the six pink balls, it should be collect collect 6 golden balls. Then here, can we assign the holder? Yes, select it. Just to, I will demonstrate to you, or maybe I forgot. Just to select the multiple game objects, click and press shift. Sorry. So just click, click the, and then shift, then control D. Yes, already duplicated. Collect the 6 golden balls. So instead, rename the quest 1 holder into quest 2 holder. Then the quest 1 bar into quest 2 bar. So here, just not for you to be confused, we will change it to gold. I mean, I demonstrate a while ago. Yes, send it. Yes, shift and click for multiple game objects, or to select the multiple objects. So here, we have the quest to txt, duplicate it. Then you can see here the number 3. Number 3, for example, I have the points here. So, what if our milestone is just reach, well, just to reach, just to reach the milestone, or for the points itself? So, I'm thinking if, what if, what if, um, should be reach, um, uh, reach the 20, um, or earn 24 score. Earn the score, yes. Sorry, my English is little bit not good. Earn the score. Earn the score equals to 24. Like this. So your score should be 24. I mean, your score should be 24. Once again. So here, oh, what happened? Huh? Yes. Just reposition it right here. Just if you have the problem that here user interface is being overlapped by another user interface, I mean, so quest 3 holder should have the quest 3 holder right here, and then quest 3 bar. It's a little bit long tutorial. So here we have the bar itself, then the bar should be, I think of it, should be orange. Yes, it's very good. Then as you can see, panel itself, it should appear if the quest is already clicked. So as of now should just make it inactive. So now I will demonstrate to you how to bring the codes into life into our scoring system. So open this script. Hmm. Then I'm waiting for a scoring system. Yes. Later on, I will demonstrate how this will work. Or I will demonstrate first how it how it will work to appear the user interface if it is clicked, or to make the panel active in our scene and inactive. So we can see here, check this, and then I have here the quest panel, this in the quest button. So I'm going to add the public game object quest panel. Then that's all. As you can see here, just just type the public void appear quest panel. So as you can see here, I will demonstrate with the button click, the function for button click. So appear quest panel means that quest panel is set active true. Then another is the public void disappear quest panel. So here I'll demonstrate to you how the quest panel should be in opposite. Let's set active false. Set active false. So right here, I will run our script. Then you can see it work. Then as you can see here, just determine where game object it is attached. So we can see our player here. Oh, we can see the player here. It should be, oh, yes. We see here the scoring system, and then just, yes, the player itself. Then drag and drop the quest panel, which is this. Just to make it work. Then the button itself, it's make it again active so we can determine. Yes, forgot. That's a close BTN or the close button. So we can see, I will demonstrate how the quest will work. You here when you see and click, the list is empty. So we can see here the game object. As I told to you, you should determine where the script is attached, the scoring system script, so it is attached inside the player. Then the scoring system, it will appear quest panel. Then here, yes, the same. Then drag the player, then disappear quest panel as we type in our script. So here, I will just demonstrate. Yes, we'll save it just to make it a backup, save project. As you can see here, I will demonstrate to you the first thing that we're going to add for creating our quest system. So here, yes, it's rotating here. Then yes, the quest appear, but these mana bars are not yet working. Yes, it close, it appears, it then disappear and appear and then disappear. So we have another thing to do, and should keep in mind that here in our quest panel we have 3 mana bars that should be put by our scoring system. So as you can see, if if earn points or or the golden box is collided, the score should supposed to be plus 5. Or I want to assign the fewer ones. Yes, plus 5. And then it's said that earn the scores equals to 24. I mean, it's our milestone. For example, we should add from our previous game object, if called that game object, that tag. Yes, I'll going to check it. Player, well, well, drag it. Then here, pink ballpoints. Pink ballpoints. Yes, the tag is equals to, well, copy it. Pink ballpoints. So the score supposed to be fewer. I mean, supposed to be 2. If called game object that the tag is equals to pink ball points. But if our milestone is collect, just return yourself to canvas, and then are you just going to see collect 6 pink balls. So as you can see here, you should, I mean, for me, collect 6 pink pink balls. You can see here that if we will dissect our mana bar, it should be divided into 6. I mean, for example, it should be 1 divided by 6. I mean, should be, can think of it, should be, if it's divided by 6, then should not be 0.6. So it should be 1 divided by 6. I'm not that good in math, so I will just compute it for a while. Just wait for it. So if it's divided by 6, probably I will compute it by my calculator. So not that good in math. So it should be 0.16, I mean, or 0.17. Maybe it's maybe it's 0.17, I mean. So I'm just computing it. So for 0.17, it should be, it's if it's should be like 0.17. So if 0.17, or it should be times 6. Oh, it's not normal, it's 1.2. It should be with exactly 1. 0.16 times, I mean, 0.16 times, oh, not yet that exact. Should be 0.7 times, oh, not yet that exact. Not so exact. So 0. I mean, I need to compute it to reach the 1. It should be 0 point times 6. No, it can be, for example, I just need to reach the exact 1. So it should, or the closest here is 0.17. 0.17 is the closest. I mean 0.17. So it means that here 0.17, or we will target our mana bar. So as you can see here, I want to demonstrate to you here the quest 1 bar, which is collect the 6 pink balls. Then we should put it here, the HP mana bars, I mean. So here you can see the public image quest, quest 1 bar. So we have here the private load quest 1, private load max quest 1. Oh, I have so quest 1. It means that it has already been declared. So I can, oh yes, forgot. So quest 1, and we will put, so for us to be hierarchical, or for you to understand it the most, we have the golden ball and the score, which is equals to 24. So we see here, so we just repeat the same process like we have in our interface. So public image quest to bar, private float quest to. We have here the private float max quest to. Then we have here another is the third quest is earn the scores equals to 24. I mean, so public image quest 3 bar. Later on I will compute it. Private float quest 3. Private float max quest 3. Max quest 3. We have here, so we already declared there are attributes inside the script. So all I'm gonna put here is the fill amount. See, we have our given fill amount from the previous tutorial um I have been tackled. So here we have, mm, yes, so the fill amount itself. So the image is quest 1 bar, quest 1 bar. That fill amount is equals to the float itself, so which is the quest 1. Then repeat the same process. Quest 2 bar, that fill amount is equals to quest 2. Then the quest 3 bar, that fill amount is equals to quest 3. Quest 3. Then here we just put it. Then we kinda the one kind of invoke repeating is fine. So the player HP, I mean, then so you can see the quest 1. Yes, like we did for player HP in our previous tutorial, we also did the same. So we type the max, max quest 1, then the quest 2 is equals to max quest 2, maximum quest 2, then the quest 3 is equals to max quest 3. You can see here, yes, it's fine, it's void and trigger. Then we should set some conditions inside the void update. So as you can see here, later on I will just create a notification bar that demonstrates if you already finished the quest, like that. So here, later on, I will. So we are lacking of one element as of now. Okay. So here in Canvas, we should create the user interface, which is another panel. Yes, here we have already created the panel, and it will show it's just a notification panel that shows if you already accomplish something inside of our quest panel. As you can see, I don't even can't even. So you have the option to click the quest, and you have the option to just collide here. So later on, I will demonstrate to you. So as of now, um, here in panel, just accomplish quest one. So here in panel, it demonstrates if you all have already have been accomplished the quest one. So we will just demonstrate accomplish quest one. Then UI is equals to text. If you have been also, it's too small once again. So change the height of it into 500, and it's too long. Here I have here 600 or 800. So the text, it should be bigger. It's already 50. Then you can see already finish already wait, you already collected the pink balls. So it states that we already collected the pink balls. Then here, instead we should have to put it to bold. We already collected the pink balls. So here, forgot it. Then the button itself, um, should be 80. The width should be 250. Then it suggests in our, that's it. Okay, BTN. So just here that we should click the text and say okay. Then we have here 50 wood. We already collected the pink balls. So it was just the notification that you already collected the pink balls, or in our quest 1. So accomplish quest 1. Same here in accomplish quest 2. In our accomplish quest 2, it says that here collect the golden balls. So you already collected the golden balls here in accomplish quest 2. Then here, sorry to say, I just want to add the accomplish, and it says that you should collect the score of 24, or you should reach the score you already reach reach the score. Huh, that's it. So here so that's why we have the accomplish. So maybe we should put the function among it. So we have the if else later on. As of now, I will just declare it public. I will just declare public game object accomplish quest 1. Then should have copy paste accomplish quest 2. Then here we have accomplish quest 3. So right here we just click the accomplish. So as you can see, it's 1.2, 1.02. So it means that it will appear exactly if your exactly float amount is 1.02. So the if else, if you can see here we have the score. We have no we have no float behind this. Oh, quest 1. Yes, we have the float this quest 1. So if quest 1 is equals to what we have is 1.02f, 1.02f. As I said, I just divided it by 6. 1.02f. So accomplish quest 1, that's set active true. Or um, accomplish quest 1, that's set active true. So we will just or we are not sure if it is, for example, it is equals to quest 0.02f. Should put or statement or quest 1 is equals to 1.02f, or quest 1 is, for example, greater than equals to, I'm just thinking greater than equals to, quest 1 is less than greater than equals to 1f. Yes, greater than or equals to 1f. Then accomplish quest 1, that's set active true. Accomplish quest 1. Then we have no another way just to make it invisible by just setting it up to 0.99. Later on I will demonstrate. So thinking of it, just make it 0.99f. I'm just thinking of it. Greater than equals 0. Oh no. Greater than or equals to. So it should be 1f. Sorry for that sound of if quest. It's a little bit noisy here. So if quest 2 is greater than or equals to 1f, yes, keep in mind 0.17. Greater than or equals to 1f. So accomplish quest 2. That set active is equals to true or true. If quest 3 is greater than or equals to 1f, should be accomplish quest 3. Sorry, it takes a long time to code quest system, so it seems to be longer than my previous tutorial. So here, sorry for those. I have here the earn points. So here we can quest 1 plus equals just plus this increment. So here the earn points is quest 2 plus plus. Then another one is which is the score. Quest 3 is equals to 1f. So for example, quest 3 is equals to 1f. So I'm just thinking to earn the scores equals to 24. So what if 1 divided by 24? 0.04, 0.047, 0.04 times 24 should be 1. 0.047 times 24 should be 1. Oh, 1.1. 0.024, 0.17. So is equals. So collect no 24. I mean no score is equals to 24 should be like here should be 0.047, 0.047. It's not that exact, but as I demonstrate it should be greater than or equal. So here we have the 1f, then greater than 1f. So here we don't need it to collect, so I'm just thinking the way to make them appear and disappear. So here, if you already collide the paintballs, if you already should the OK button, should just add another public void. This one. So doesn't disappear if the quest one is not just the same 0.99f. Disappear quest 2. Disappear quest 2. Fish quest 2. Quest 2. Oh, we have it not. So we have here. Disappear quest 3. Accomplish quest 3. Let's set active false. Then quest 3. That's it. Better I should drag it right away. Make it run first. I should wait for it. You can see here, as I said, the player, we have so many bars right here. So you can see the quest panel, quest 1 bar. Drag it in the same corresponding attribute inside the player and the script of score system, quest 2 bar. Then the quest 3 bar. Then you can see here in canvas the accomplished quest 1, accomplished quest 2, then the accomplished quest 3. So we can see here that this quest panel should stuck to false, or it should be false. The OK button of accomplished quest 1. Keep in mind that this is the on click. Then drag always keep in mind the player. Yes, keep in mind the player. So here, disappear quest 1. Then here, another is disappear quest 2. Yes, do the same thing. But here we can see the accomplish quest 2 score system disappear quest 2. Then the accomplish quest 3, you can see here that is empty. Then drag the player. Then score systems equals to disappear quest 3. So as you can see here, able to close it. So another one is I will demonstrate if it is the collision detection for the NPC. So later on I will. So as of now, I will just give it a try. See here the quest. Yes, you have no 6 peoples to collect. Oh no, already added the 6 peoples right here.